Hi guys! I know I'm a crocheter, but I also like cooking. So I want to share with you a quick recipe for ground beef. So let's do it. So in this skillet, I have about a tablespoon of olive oil. And here I have chopped garlic and half a small onion. And I also have two diced tomatoes here. And I have 1 pound of ground beef. My seasonings, seasoned pepper, cumin powder, and garlic salt. We're gonna add the onions and garlic, and we're gonna give it a nice stir. I hope you like this recipe. It's a very simple, basic recipe for cooking ground beef. I know my channel is all about crocheting, but I also want to share with you guys that I also can cook. So did you notice it start changing color? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add tomatoes. I'm gonna add some seasoned pepper, cumin. I'm gonna add more once I put the meat in, and some garlic salt. We keep stirring until the tomatoes are cooked a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna add the ground beef. And I'm using 90-10 seasoned pepper. I love this pepper. I use it in my steaks. Ground cumin. And I'm gonna add more garlic salt. And then you can use this for tacos. We continue to stir, let it cook. This is basically done. Thanks for watching.